My AC has a high torque lockout code 99. Is this something I can fix?
What's the brand and model of your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
Bryant, last replaced filter 2018.
How long has this been going on with your Bryant air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
It just notified me 2 hours ago. I've not tried anything yet.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Anything else you want the contractor to know before I connect you?
No.
Okay. Got it. I'm sending you to a secure page to join JustAnswer. While you're filling out that form, I'll tell the expert about your situation and then connect you to.
Hi, my name is Tamar. I'm your personal HVAC/appliance expert on JustAnswer. First of all, I would like to thank you for using JustAnswer. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your equipment today. I know firsthand how frustrating that can be. If you give me a few moments, I will provide a response to you on your issue. Please afford me the same patience I will afford you when it comes to responding. I will do my best. Am human, may be in the field, and cannot respond instantaneously. Hope you are doing well today. This could be caused by numerous things, but the most common are either overcharged system or low condenser airflow. If you reset it and it works for a while, you need to check the compressor amp draw and the refrigerant charge. Worst case scenario, the compressor may have an internal issue.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.